Hi guys, it's me again. Welcome back to my channel. Lunch break ko naman eh. Kaya ano, it's okay to have a chit chat. Baka may mga nagtataka eh. Pa-English pa. Kala mo naman kung sino. Pero syempre, okay lang yan. Speaking different languages should not define you as a person, worst or not. Kasi, um, it's somehow just a skill that we have learned from time to time or over time. And I guess it's not the measurement of how great you are, or it's not a measurement of your intelligence. Diba? Anyway, I can speak English, I can speak Tagalog, I can speak Bisaya. I understand Bisaya in some forms. Hiligay nun, though other terms may not be same or similar with Bisaya from Romblon, but I can still understand it. It's just that somehow I can compose myself and comprehend with what other people, a friend or a workmate who speaks different dialects. Anyway, um, ang sipag ko mag-video ngayon. Kaya, um, my goal is actually get more subscribers. And I'm so happy. From yesterday's subscribers, I had 109 subscribers. When I checked it earlier today, I got 138. So that's a great achievement or improvement with the number of followers that I have. So expect that I'm gonna be uploading more videos soon. Can be shorter videos or it can be lengthy ones depending on the nature of what I'm gonna be talking about. Na naman ang pinagsasabi ko man. Pero as what I have said from my previous vlogs, I will be pushing for this platform. May TikTok ako. I also do singing, dancing, but not that great. Hindi ako ganun kagaling, but I'm just mediocre. Not that good, not that worst. So I'm in between. And I'm looking forward for you guys also to subscribe, and you can comment also below. Um, and I will also subscribe back. Thank you so much. For more exciting videos, please follow my channel or subscribe to my channel. Bye.